Manufacturing professional indemnity insurance in California. Those who are looking for information on Medicare supplement insurance can be benefited by going through this page. Along with the other places, California people also can choose their Medigap insurance plans that depends upon their requirement and eligibility. Medicare supplement insurance companies in California offer insurance in two different plans. The first one is of individual Medicare plan and the other is of group Medicare plan. Individual plans serve individually on major or selected medical expenses. However, the group plan is designed for those who belong to a single group. Mainly these kinds of plans are suitable to opt for business employees. The Medicare supplement insurance are planned to cover many people at a time, like the employees and their families together. The plan is also suitable for a single family, though it can be a bit expensive altogether. However, individual Medicare insurance plans look cheaper than the group plan generally. Though it is calculated properly, it seems that the group plans cost less than the individual plan. In addition to that, a member of a same Medicare insurance plan group can pay their premiums also in group, which is another advantage of the kind of plan. Generally, the company pays a part of the insurance on behalf of their employees and a part of the insurance amount is paid by the employers. The system together makes the plan interesting. There is another Medicare insurance plan available exclusively for the people of California, which is called CalCobra. Though the plan is a bit expensive from the mode of its premium payment, it is even attractive than the group Medicare plans. However, it is cheaper than the individual plan. It includes some couples of former employees, and along with that it covers the retiree spouses, former spouses, and also dependent children in a temporary continuation, which is designed in a manner the same as the group Medicare insurance plan. The plan may cover 2 to 19 employees at a time and also covers half of the percentage of the working days. The company as an individual authority is responsible here to pay the premium and not the employees themselves, is another charming offer that is proposed by the plan. However, generally most of the Medicare insurance companies do not afford the whole medical expense of a treatment but only a part of it. The share that is covered by the Medicare plans depends upon the agreement that is made in the time of purchasing it. It's better to buy a group Medicare insurance plan for even of the family because it helps to low down the treatment rate altogether and it shows its effectiveness in long run. Another advisable matter is to go for Medicare supplement insurance along with the primary plan so that the part that is not covered by the main insurance plan can be covered by the supplement one. Though it sounds expensive, it serves great in case of serious matter. To find out the details about this matter, one can contact advisors of his/her local social welfare group or from the medical advisors. Another source of information regarding all Medicare supplement insurances is the websites and web pages available in web.